So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, the eyes, I'll explain that in the video. Crazy, right? Okay, so in this video I have one of my all-time favorite subscriptions, GlitzGlamBoxx. I don't know if you can see that with the light. Of course not. I'm gonna have to turn you guys down. But anyway, if you want to see what I have this month, so keep on watching, okay? Hey guys, remember, subscribe if you haven't, give the video a thumbs up, turn on your bell. Okay, hey guys, okay, so the eyes, all it is just a crazy look that I was doing for a collab with Erie's Life, Erie's Life, and we were trying to do this like really crazy bold look, so instead of me having to do my makeup all over again, I decided, because this came yesterday, I just wanted to like do it, you know what I mean, and it's one of my favorite subscriptions, and I'm excited because I did not peek, and I did not watch your video, Chanel, so after I unbox this, I will go ahead and like go over there and show you some love, okay? Okay, so for those of you who do not know what the subscription is, it is a monthly subscription, makeup subscription. It is $15 a month with $2.99 shipping, okay? So let me go ahead and bust her open and see what's on here. I have no idea because I didn't look. I was really good. I did see like a few pictures on Instagram, but they were like really quick. The camera was panning over. So you got the Sisters 3, as I like to call them, did a really good job at hiding it this month. And like I said, I did not watch her unveiling of the box because I wanted to be surprised. I will do that as soon as I'm done. But this eye look, I just can't get over it, guys. We had to use it's just really hard to explain. I have a video coming up. If it's not already up, it probably won't be. You'll probably see this on Sunday. I'll put it up because I got it yesterday, Saturday. So, okay, so nothing in there, okay? Just tissue. This subscription is, like I say, every time I unbox it, it is always packaged great. I've never gotten anything, you know, broken or anything like that. So when I pull it out, it comes in a little package like this with a cute little sticker. See that? And then, yes, there's a card. Oh, thank you, Jesus. All right, so you get a card with all the items and the prices, which I'm loving right about now because, I don't know, COVID must have all the subscriptions crazy because I haven't had a card in I don't know how long. So anyway, I'm like freaking out on this look. I was going to take it off, and I'm like, you know what, because when I started this, it was like 12 midnight. I don't even know what time. It was late, and now it's like early morning, so I wasn't going to do my makeup all over again. I hope you guys don't mind, but you will see me do this look and how frustrated I get with doing it. But anyway, okay, so I'm going to go ahead and open it up, and I believe you get like I'll link everything below, how many like products you get. You always do with this subscription, get a lash and some kind of glitter, okay? So that's a given. That's you know, out of all the products, you always get that every month. So let me see. And like I said, there is a card, and the theme for this month is Need More Glam, and I guess, I don't know, maybe not. Anyway, it just tells you what's on the site. You can order things, double the glam, build your own box, which I did win a giveaway, and I was able to do that. So first thing I'm going to pull out is the lashes, and these are, now GlitzGlamBoxx, these are their lashes, it looks like. Congratulations, guys, and this is Never Basic Lashes, okay? Wow, and they are some fluffy lashes, but you know what? I'm liking them. They got a thin band, so if you can see up there. Those are some big lashes. Glam night, for sure, for sure. Out with the hubby for dinner or something. They're going on. I do have some on today. Matter of fact, I think they're one of you guys. But they're real natural, like, kind of, sort of. But, oh, I just shook you. I'm so sorry. What is going on with this camera? Oh, I'm like dropping everything. Okay, so, again, GlitzGlamBoxx Never Basic Lashes. These are in the style Lola. If you can see right there, again, I'll show you. I hope my light. I'm getting a new phone, guys, yay, or something to record on. I can't wait. Okay, let me see. These are These are $12. It says never look basic with our foul. I always say that word wrong. Fake. I always say fake mink lashes in style CC or Lola, developed by GlitzGlamBoxx founders and sisters Chanel, Lauren. For the GlitzGlamBoxx. So Chanel and Lauren, yay! Congratulations, awesome. So there they have that. That's the first. Oh, and they're 12. Like, did I say they were $12? Because they're $12. Okay. So that's the first item. The second item is the glitter. Oh my God, I do not have this color. That's awesome. Oh, and I have a really pretty green liquid eyeshadow too. Okay, so now this is from them, from their company too, GlitzGlamBoxx. Okay, and let me go ahead and open that. This is awesome. Yay, green! I don't have green. I have other colors that have green in it with a bunch of different colors, but not just straight green. This is awesome. Awesome. Oh my God, look at that. Look at how pretty that is. Yes. And there's little there's a blue in there. I see blue, gold, and green. I'm sure there's more, but that's what I'm seeing. This is awesome, guys. Can you see the reflex? Wow. Awesome, awesome. And let's see. This is the 3D diamond glitter. Cosmetic glitter, skin, nail, lip, eye safe. That's what I like about this. You can use it anywhere, guys. No problems. Add sparkle to your eyes, lips, or nails. Store your glitter in style with your 3D diamond glitz pot, which is this thing right here. And I have a couple of these, and they're so awesome. So these are worth this is $5 right here. Okay, so that's the second one. And then they showed a picture of a palette. Now, sometimes for the most part, you get palette in this subscription, or brushes or whatever. But it's always, listen, I love the subscription. I never can say enough about it. I'm going to go ahead and leave the palette for last. Right here, I am looking at, this is Hikari Matte Lip Gloss right here. Okay, let me go ahead and take it out. And is it in a shade or anything? Let's see. Rouge. It says right there in that little sticker right here, guys. On my nails, I have to do them in the shade Rouge. Okay, so let's check it out. And we got, oh my God, that wasn't what I was expecting, but that's pretty. Okay. I'm not going to swatch it because I have stuff on, because you know me, I want to put it on right away. But look at that. I like that. I like the packaging too. So this is what it looks like here. There's the, if you can see, my camera is doing no justice. So there you have it. And that's like a purple, yeah, that's like a purpley mauve color. I don't know if you can see that. That's awesome. Okay, and let me read about this. Let's see. Okay. No, oh, here it is. Hikari Cosmetics, a matte liquid lipstick featuring shades Rouge or Devoted. Is that Rouge? No, it's Rogue. I'm sorry, I'm pronouncing that wrong. It's Rogue. I didn't see what the other shade was, but I will look after this. But this is awesome. I would wear this and with something like lighter in the middle. That's how I would sport this one. But that's a cool color. Okay, happy about that. I'm telling you, this subscription never lets me down, guys. Never. Some months are better than others, but I'm never disappointed. So I can't say that about many subscriptions. I really can't. And the last but not least is Be a Queen from, okay, let me read, because that, do I have my glasses? Yeah, let me put my glasses on real quick, because I'm trying to, like, I look so tired, right, guys? Wow. Hold on a second. That's insane. My glasses are always, I need to get glasses. I do. I always keep saying I'm going to do that, right? And I never do. Okay. All right, so here's the palette right here. It says, Be a Queen, 16 color eyeshadow, Be a Bombshell. And this is from Be a Queen. Let's see. This is Bombshell Cosmetics. There's the packaging. If you can see. Why is my light acting like that? That's crazy. Anyway, there you have it. That's that. Let me go ahead and take it out of the packaging. And the front of the palette looks just like the packaging. It doesn't have a mirror, so we're good there. And I don't really mind because I don't ever use the mirror anyway. Oh, these are pretty. I was just, okay, so for this eye look, I have the Alien palette from Jeffree Star, and let me tell you, it was going on patchy. I was getting mad. For Jeffree Star shadows, I expected more. I don't know. I was using a new brush set, the James Charles brush set. I don't know if that's why or what, but I'll tell you. So here we have the palette here. Let me go ahead and take this off, the protector. Okay. There you go. So there are the shades there, guys. So see the greens in there? Now, I could have totally used these for this look, but I had to use what I had, and I didn't get into this, but look at that. Look at this one. Oh my God, this is so pretty. It's coming off just a little lighter on camera than they actually are, but pretty true, except this one isn't as bright. This kind of looks like an aquamarine, but it's more of like a deeper green, and then you have an army green shimmer. Oh my gosh, this will be great when I wear my I have like what do they call that, camouflage like leggings, and yeah, I'm always looking for colors for that. It's like green. I think there's a little gray in there too, but this palette, I like this palette. This is awesome. This is the first time I've heard of the Bombshell Cosmetics. I don't know if we've gotten them before. I don't recall that we did, but let me go ahead and tell you a little bit about it. It says, Be a Queen 16 shade eyeshadow palette. Retail values at $28. Be a Bombshell Cosmetics 16. I guess the name of the palette is Be a Queen. Okay. Oh, I believe there was maybe 2 you could get. I'm not sure. I'll have to check. I'll link it up here if it was. Okay, so this is 16 eyeshadow shades from shimmer to foil to matte. Create your queen look with this glam palette. And again, it's $28. So I will add the total of the box up, guys, and put it up here somewhere. But again, this $15 this subscription is for $2.99 for shipping. And guys, it's always the first one here. Always. I always get the subscription first every month without fail. I'm telling you. That's why I love it so much, and I'm never disappointed with the stuff that I get in there. So it's really cool. So this is like a green toned palette, and then you have the green shimmer. Awesome. Or the green glitter, I mean. Awesome, awesome. And that's another thing. They always group everything really nicely put together. Loving it. Loving it. Thank you, Chanel. Oh, and Lauren. Thank you both. I'm going to head over and watch your video now. You'll see me comment. I show my love. So there you have it, guys. This is GlitzGlamBoxx subscription for the month of June. And like I said, it's always the first one here. I'm always so happy to get this subscription. I really am. Love it. Love it. So if you guys don't know who Chanel is, she is the CEO of this company, along with her sister Lauren. And they do have, oh, I forgot to put the plastic in. I'm always, man, every time I put a palette away, I always forget to put the plastic in. I end up with like 5 different plastics everywhere. It took me 4 palettes to do this look. This, let me tell you, this was, I don't know. I was first going to do butterflies on my eyes, but that didn't work out. So I just went with whatever I could. Cut, crease, boom, get it done. All right, so like I said, there you have it. And I put it back in. Everything's good. So I'm going to link. They have a YouTube channel. It's called GlitzGlamFix. So I will link that below as well as their website if you guys want to check out the subscription. Guys, I highly recommend it. For $15, you can't beat it. Like I said, I'm never disappointed. Are some months better than others? It's like that with every subscription. But I'm never disappointed, and that's not something I can say about any other subscription. Alright guys, so there you have it. So if, oh, and I always forget to say, if you're new here, please subscribe. We do all things beauty on this channel, not just, you know, on the outside beauty, but also on the inside. And we get a little crazy at times, hence the eye look. It was done in fun, and I was just, you know, supporting another YouTuber, a good friend, Erie's Life. So, yeah, I went ahead and went a little bold and crazy, way out of my comfort zone. I can surely tell you that. Anyway, yeah, if you're new here, guys, please subscribe. And don't forget to rate the video, thumbs up, thumbs down. Either way helps me out. Turn on your bell for notifications. YouTube has been doing some crazy things, unsubscribing people. So you might want to check and make sure you're still subscribed. If you have subscribed already, just check and see to make sure that word is gray, okay? Because they've been unsubscribing people like crazy, and it's happened to me a few times. So, all right, guys. So there you have it. Until I see you in the next video, please, with everything going on in this world, and not just the COVID, all the other craziness, please be careful. Please take care of one another if you can, and most of all, be safe. Okay? See you guys. Bye.